morning when I was washing my hair? That's mean.
Shampoo, man. That's why I need to go to the pipe. I mean, hook up the water for you.
Anyway, Ziggy just came back and got me some crab. Crab's so big. I want this part.
Want this?
Yeah?
What you want?
Ooh. Oh, wait, they're. I have to wait till they freeze up. When they freeze up. My God. Anyways, guys, I'm here cooking up some chicken. You know, you might want to cook. There's baga music in my ears.
Yeah, we're really chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, me. Exactly, me. I'm the real chef. Who are you? I teach you how to. I taught you how to cook.
Yeah, I'm a printer.
I'm your what?
Printer.
You're my assistant. Notice I asked you to knead dumpling. You knead it. Dumpling. Remember, dumpling is just salt and water, you know. This is the real seasoning.
Yeah, but the poly season here.
Yeah? Ziggy's always dissing, you know, act like he can cook. Like, I taught him. The only thing Ziggy knows how to cook is curry chicken. Can I show you please?
We'll upload no picture in now.
Ever.
That's some plan. See there.
Thanks. Can you like this?
Okay.
So you're gonna do your hair now?
I wash it.
Are you not braiding it? It's gonna put it in twist? I don't know. You should give your scalp a break. Anyways, chicken going to soak in the sauce for a little. I just got my kitchen. Mom's calling me.
Yeah, call me an answer, ba. Over bag. Look.
So I was on Instagram live earlier. Get on the kitchen, you're no shirt. Anyways, we don't have anything planned today. Just had a crab. Ziggy's gonna go wash his hair. I'm cooking, so I'm home alone basically. Am I home alone? Huh? Hello? Am I home alone? I'm here alone? Okay. Yeah, so I'm just here chefing it up right now. And like I was saying before, we don't really have anything planned here. So I'm not sure what we're doing today. Just more kind of like chilling and trying to figure little stuff out that we have to do. And I just want to say shout out to everyone who is still supporting our event. Even though I already reached my goal, it really means a lot, you know, and every little thing counts and helps and gives me more room to do more stuff. So shout out to you guys. And a lot of my supporters are actually coming down to support the event, which is really, like, I'm nervous for that, but I'm excited. So can't wait for that. Can't wait. So a lot of people have been like messaging me on my my Instagram, my Snapchat. So a lot of people are actually in long distance relationship. A lot more people than I would even thought or knew that were in it. So a lot of people actually reach out to me because they see, like, you know, I showcase my relationship with Ziggy, blah blah blah. And it's so crazy how a lot of people, you have some people where their family support them, and you have some people where like their family just doesn't support them at all, which I totally understand why, but it's hard, man. being in a long distance is not easy at all, because it not only comes with like fear within you and your partner's relationship, but just like that negativity from like friends and family. But sometimes they mean well, but sometimes it can just be so like, it just makes things even harder. But I always tell people, I'm like, just pray and trust the process, you know? Don't be naive to certain things. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. You can't force stuff. Anyways, my chicken is cooking. Guys, I need to share this with you guys because it's such a nice feeling to be in love and then get that love back in return. Like, it's such a great feeling. And not everyone gets to experience it, so I'm really glad that I get to experience that. Like, yeah? Little kids. What are you guys doing? The bad breed youths. This is how kids out here have fun. They make fun out of anything. The bad breed youth right here. Howdy, howdy. What are you supposed to like that? So guys, we're on the road now, about to get some fish. We're gonna make some, well, not we're gonna make some steamed fish. Family friends about to make some steamed fish.
She's my family.
Really family. So that's what we're about to do right now.
You see if I ain't Chowski, me bunks, you know? Chowski asleep.
About to get some banana to cook with our fish.
Oh.
Well, our place, the place built up. Last time I was down here, this wasn't even here before. Now they have the full car park. And the sun though, the sun's beating on me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright.
Of course I catch Ziggy cussing in the camera because, you know, that's what, hold the camera down so no one looks at me.
Hey, see taxi boy on the manners.
You have bad road rage.
Right.
You have really bad
the
road
boy
rage.
have to just wait, you know.
So yeah, we just got some fish, some red snapper. They're kind of banana.
You alright, man?
Yeah.
Are you alright after supper?
Yeah, man.
How much is the right banana?
3 bills a dozen.
A dozen?
1 dozen to 300.
Hence for me now, she not going to eat off so much.
Want, man? 3 of people say
And that if you telling me then, pa.
Give me 3.
you sort out the thing that.
Everyone has like their little stall, getting some ripe banana right
That's
now.
my point.
These bananas look really good. Yeah. Why? That's not even a phone. I didn't put your face in it, don't worry. Thanks.
Put me on the 5th line.
I do. So guys, we're in the Gideon, as Ziggy call it. Is that what you call it? Testing out the drone once again, the Gulf. About to get some tambourine. It's hot as hell. So hot. And like the rain keeps falling. You can't even see me right now. Oh, there I am. The rain's like falling. Remember when I was little, we used to have this tree by King Law School, a tambourine tree? And the guys used to make us go up there and climb it. You know why? So they could look up under our shirt. And we used to go do it too. Big Ed Chilla Browning. Greg. tamarind. No, I want to make. Can I put it with sugar though? Isn't that what they mix it with, or rum or something?
For me, when I want to
Bro, Greg's brave, you know.
Greg, just pick someone put in your shot, man. And when I reach halfway, I can catch them. Our last nest.
Sour? Can't you mix them? Don't they mix them with like sugar or something?
Yeah.
Sugar
And rum?
Sugar and molasses you can put in there.
Sugar and molasses.
Yeah.
And what?
Nothing.
And sugar and rum, my lord, me know about. I don't know about the
That is
molasses.
idiot.
I don't know about the molasses.
Just done, see?
I know dons. Everybody deal with something different, you know.
Ziggy.
But as
Let
ever
me
hear
try
some
one.
molasses going to sugar.
Let me try one.
Of course.
Never hear about that.
I'm not here about.
Broke out here and see and taste it. See if it's sour.
Do I ever have your phone? Mm-mm. Sour, yo. This one's too sour.
You have to make tamarind, man.
Pick them, I'll mix them. Or ask Polly. Happy birthday, Shauna. It's your birthday, Shauna. So guys, we just want to say thank you so much for supporting our event. You know, it's still early, but we just want to send us an early thank you.
Joke, man. You know what I mean?
We really
All the
appreciate
bad
it.
times, yeah?
We didn't expect to reach as much support as we did, and people are still donating, and we, like, you guys don't understand.
I'm surprised.
I'm still surprised. Like, this is our second year doing it, and we're still shocked. Even when I brought everything down, because he only saw stuff on like video, he was just like, whoa. Like, it was a lot. It was crazy, and just
Yeah, my suitcase pop out. And me a pulley, everything
just
just
pop out, yeah. So we really appreciate it, and I'm probably gonna say thank you like 10 times, but it's just crazy. I started something last year, or we started something last year, and just to see it getting big and bigger, it's amazing. It's a blessing, you know. The kids people are still asking me like, when is the event? I think they're really excited. The kids are excited. I was talking to them the other day about the talent show. Of course they want to wind up and stuff, but I was telling them no wind up this year. But yeah, just thanks. But we're just here chilling. It's, I don't know, yo. It's just,
time young man you what you want.
it's
You man just come and you feel like say yo, if they all about.
no, don't lie.
True, man.
Don't lie. It's just like, yo, I don't know. It's just so hot. Like right now we're in the shade, so it's cool. You guys are hearing all the breeze, but it's so hot. Like where Ziggy lives, it's so freaking hot,
Everywhere hot,
humid,
man.
and then it rains, and then it stops, and then it's hot, then it rains. Like every damn time I come out here, it rains.
Alright, so, man, things
Look at my juice in my water in the sun.
You put your way?
Are you cook today? Not cooking?
I'm cook yesterday.
What did you? I cooked for you last night.
Are you? I'm serious. I'm cooking.
We didn't
You sure
cook
it's not
nothing
gonna
yesterday. I cooked when you came in last night. Remember? So you're all excited when you ran in the kitchen. But right now we just chilling. We just cooling. Literally just cooling in the breeze.
I'll go back around and do.
We're trying to test out the drone. Ziggy's low key excited. He's like a little kid.
Yeah.
But we're just testing it out because you know it takes time.
Yo,
You can-
differently though. Like them as you can like make feel out at the blood.
But Ziggy,
Like,
take it
breeze
in.
and
There's a lot of
breeze, yeah,
trees
we-
out here, you know.
Yeah,
Remember the
so
beach
that
was no
makes
trees or nothing? But yeah, we're just really trying to catch like good footage for you guys this year.
Wait, no, oh. Say just go high.
But we're waiting for Chilla and Greg. They're catching tamarind right now. So yo, dinner is finally served. After Ziggy had me here starving. No, I'm joking still, but dinner is finally served.
Por eso, desde hace más de 50 años, los productos